Good morning, traders. Hope you all having an awesome day. A post-election indices update for you, and let's see what to expect from US30, Dow Jones. We're going to see NASDAQ100 tech, and we're going to go through S&P 500 as well. So quickly starting with US30 Dow Jones. We had a nice and massive push up out of the level of support that was sent to the members, and what a move we have got here. A technical and a fundamental, of course. The presidential election has fueled this price higher, but we were prepared to take our entries right here, looking at this nice double bottom pattern, and with that we are pushing high, broken above the previous highs. Now most of the traders likely to look at the previous level that has been broken for the pullbacks. Now here, as the Trump win the election, that is why I'm expecting a stock to continue to push higher. But with the pullbacks, of course, we need to have some rules. We're not going to enter blindly or with the FOMO that price is pushing higher, or we need to look for a pullbacks followed by bullish engulfing pattern or a double bottom pattern, something like this. It's going to be weak signal, but it is an anchor level. If we have a bullish signal, only then we have a buy signal from where the price will likely to push high. Now let's say there is no signal within this anchor level and price dramatically falls, and that will be just a pullback, and this pullback could be above 50 or 20 EMA followed by bullish engulfer. So in an uptrend, just a pullback before the price will push high. So look for your signals either from this area anchor level or above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer. It confirm here above this zone, but if you have a pullback entry bullish, we're gonna go along and keep on taking longs and trend continuation trades, not selling as long as we are trading above these highs. Next up we have NASDAQ100, exactly the same pair, broken above the recent highs. Now here we have this zone right here from where we're going to start to look at the pullback entry bullish or double bottom entry pattern. I also want to show you Fibonacci level in case you want to use Fibonacci level for the pullback. 50% can be a buy limit order, very aggressive entry, and can be very risky entry. Stop loss can be taken below the zone and take profit can be 1.618 retracement. Exactly same here on US30 as well, just to mention right here. 50% buy limit order and take profit 1.618 retracement. Again, this is just my opinion. Nothing should be taken as any sort of trading advice, and do not take my words on it. If my analysis goes with your analysis, only then take your trades. Now right here, exactly same pullback entries, or we have a Fibonacci levels right here. 50% or 382 retracement can be an area from where the price will likely to bounce out of, or pullback entries also in the play. Lastly, we have S&P 500 nicely pushing up. We already had a retest right here and pushing up. Now if we have one more retest in that followed by bullish engulfer, that will be another entry condition with the Fibonacci retracement tool right here. 50% pullback, 1.618 retracement will be your target. If we have one more green candle, I'm going to adjust my Fibonacci tool like this. So keep an eye. Once you start to see a pullback, you don't need to move your Fibonacci tool. So exactly the same. Look for these conditions I'm looking at, only expecting a price to push higher here on stock market. So that's it for indices, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.